Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for Water Sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko makuha lahat ng energy ng Water Sign sa mundo. Pero okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. If you want, you might want to book a reading. Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yun. Open siya sa personal reading. Nanggagamot din sila, guys. You might want to check them out. Or kung sa akin gusto mong magpabook ng personal reading, open ako astrology at saka tarot reading. Palm reading. Ayan. Let's start what we have here for the sign of water sign. Okay. Two of Pentacles, Five of Wands. And I can see a wishy-washy na connection. Mamaya okay, mamaya hindi. Pwedeng more on pag-aaway. The Four of Swords is here, pero wala kang magawa. Meron ng problema talaga eh. Kitang-kita na yung problema doon. Pero nakikita natin, parang either hindi nagtitake ng actions regarding sa problema. Kita na si problema, pero sa halip na ayusin, ay hindi inaayos. So, tuloy-tuloy si away, problema dito. And I feel like you are being wishy-washy. Kung paano mo babaguhin yung buhay mo, yung sitwasyon mo sa ngayon, di mo rin alam. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Some kind of big change na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to. Maybe may involvement in a third-party situation. Or someone here is really nakakaramdam ng sakit, ng pain. No, nasasaktan kasi maybe there's an ending regarding a love story or love connection sa inyo ng person na to, lalo na nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway, ano? Tell me more, what's with the Wheel of Fortune? Nakita tayo ng snake or ahas. So, some of you, may nagiging ahas sa connection. The Knight of Swords is here. So, you do have here the Five of Cups. So, pwedeng nagdudulot ng kalungkutan itong pag-alis na ito or pag-iwas na ito. Ayan. So, pero nandun na rin yung galit eh. Maaaring kaya nagkakaroon ng pag-iwas kasi nandun yung galit, etc. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? King of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, clarify the King of Pentacles, the Moon. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. Some of you, the Moon is, I think either you do have other options, may iba ka pang pagpipilian, or yung person mo yun, yung may ibang pagpipilian. And emotions of person, ito for you. Five of Cups. Five of Swords. Nine of Cups. Itong person ito nasasaktan siya. Parang this person loves you. Pwedeng gusto niyang mabalik yung dati. Either siya ito na gustong sumuyo sa'yo, or kung ikaw itong nagtatampo or may other options, pwedeng, or kasi energy could be reversal eh. So, either gusto niya mag-sorry, gusto niya mabalik yung dati, yan, or kung ikaw ito na dating sumusuyo sa kanya, gusto niya bumalik na yung pagsusuyo na ginagawa mo sa kanya. Okay? Nakamoy ako ng longganisa. Maybe some of you, you're craving longganisa or you're eating longganisa. Ayan. May nakikita tayong mga sorry na parang hindi tinatanggap. Either you are saying sorry or yung person na to saying sorry, pero parang hindi matanggap si sorry na yun. Okay. So what will happen in the near future? The Emperor is here. The Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Star. Queen of Cups and the Two of Cups. Gusto ko i-clarify what's with the Emperor. Emperor is clarified with the Justice card. Libra energy. I don't know if you're a Libra. Lakas talaga ng energy ng Libra at Aries dito. Well, may mga bagay kang bubuuin or gagawin. Maybe may kinalaman sa home. Maybe you're building something, relocation, paglipat. Or maybe kung hindi man home, office, or literal na paglipat lipat ng trabaho. Or yung iba, hindi naman siya ganun kalaking paglipat. Kundi paglipat lang ng mga gamit-gamit sa bahay. Ayan. Or paglipat ng table ng opisina. Ganun. I can see some kind of big change pagdating sa career. Pagdating sa love, I can see relationship dito full of love. Pero clarify natin as with the Two of Cups and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, this is a magandang relationship, magandang connection regarding a home. That is Virgo energy. The Death card. Ace of Swords. Yung ba sa inyo, kung nagkaroon ng separation, pwede magkaroon ng pagpabalikan or pag-aayos. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. May mga tao, may mga energy tayo nakikita dito na pagtitake ng risk. Some of you might feel stuck sa something. Pero meron tayo nakikitang, or this could be a new beginning, new relationship, new love, new home. Something to do with new beginnings. Okay? So, either ito ay pagbabalik ng relationship or pagkakaroon ng new relationship. So, alin man doon. But this is a new journey na kaabang-abang para sa'yo. Gamitin mo yung intuition mo. Malakas ang pakiramdam mo, so gamitin mo yun. You know what to do sa buhay mo. Whether to be, magpaka-stuck na lang sa isang situation or mag-focus sa new beginning. Nasa yan. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.